everyone. Today I'm not going to talk about any biological concept. Today I'm online to share a happy moment with you guys. We have crossed 100,000 subscribers in this channel, and that's a huge thing for me. And this is possible because of you guys. Without your constant support, it was not possible. This journey was not possible. Today I just received the silver play button from the YouTube. And that's why I wanted to share this happy moment with all of you guys. So let's celebrate together. Thank you YouTube for this awesome award. And this is only possible because of you guys. Without you, I'm nothing. The channel is nothing. So keep on subscribing my channel and share the link with your friends. So let me share some interesting fact about this channel. You guys are watching my videos for 5 million minutes. That's a huge motivation for me to make more videos like this. Anyway, my videos are not only watched in India, but also my viewers are from all across the world. Top geographies include India, USA, UK, Australia, and Philippines. That's amazing. Majority of you guys have commented and shown your love in my videos. And that's what motivates me to make such videos. But I also take the haters' comment really seriously. I try to learn from my mistakes. I try to take that feedback and improve my content. So please let me know your experience with my channel in the comment section. Don't forget to put it in the comment. Do you want to know about my struggle, my journey so far in YouTube? Then let me know in the comment. I'll make a detailed video about that. But by the way guys, I'm also present in other social media like Instagram, Facebook. All the links are provided in the description. You can follow me there. Feel free to connect. I would be really happy to help. Anyway, share this video with your friends. Share my channel link with your friends such that I can reach big audience. And thanks for your constant support. See you in next video.